Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis and key level video for the week beginning Sunday the 26th of July. And this week should be quite interesting. We entered last week and we were looking for prices. Basically right here is where we entered last week. We were looking for prices to come down and support. It did keep going higher, and this was our resistance area up here. Price ended up actually rolling over, which was what we were looking for to happen. Price rolled over, it supported, moved up a little bit, and then came down right into our support zone we were looking for. A little bit of a crappy move up, and then it just rolled over and broke down, slightly breaking our second support level from last week, but then coming right back up a little bit. So that was pretty interesting to see. It did sell off pretty strongly. It held both of our support regions just for a little bit. And now coming into this week, we have three new boxes on the screen. And what I'm looking at is pretty detailed. If it plays out like this, then we should be able to, have a lot of fun this week. So what I'm looking for is for this red box to be a short box, basically selling box. This is, give or take half a point. This is 2061 half to 2086 quarters. So we're going to look for that as price comes up, chops around, hits this, looking for a move lower, and looking for a target of we're going to call it 2065 to 2058. So that's what I'm going to be looking for this week. It's going to be interesting. And this box is a tertiary. So it should hit this, come down, and then when it comes up, it should provide some resistance. Resistance kind of starts anywhere above this 2091 level. Ideally, it would be 2100 to 2108. So that's what I would be looking for. On the flip side, if price comes up here and it breaks above this box and gets above this yellow line, that would kind of be the area that I would watch, 2091. If it gets above that, then we can probably have expectations of price going above this 2126 quarter level, and probably going into maybe 2140, maybe the upper 2130, something like that initially. That's what I would look for if this were to just break up. At the moment, I'm thinking this is a good resistance area, this is a good support area, and then if it does come up, look for some resistance. And if this does actually play out like that, this could be big, because a sell from here could take price down into 2010 and below, and eventually push below 2000. So that's a possibility on the downside. On the upside, this can play out, and then price can just run straight up. That's a possibility. And that's what we're going to keep an eye on this week. It should make it a fun week just because we do have a couple different possibilities. We have 2130 plus above us. We have 2000 minus below us. So it's going to be an interesting week, and I would think would dictate the next couple months. This is the way that I'm looking at it. So it should be a lot of fun. So if you guys have any other analysis, you can always comment below, send me an email, support@businesswithtrading.com. Love to hear your thoughts. This is what I'm looking at. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it should give us a lot of leeway this week, and some nice trades. So with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome trading week, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.